The next aspect of this topic, comparing quantities, is percentage and its calculation. Okay, let's talk about this percentage and its calculation. Okay, the first thing that we need to know is what do we mean by percent? Percent, right? So percent means, simply it means 1 per 100. 1 per 100. 1% means 1 per 100. Okay, so symbolically, this percent symbolically this percent is written as this, by this symbol. Okay, so for example, 10% of 500. What does that mean? 10% of 500. So it can be calculated, this 10% of 500 can be calculated by taking 10 from each 100. How many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds. 10 from each 100. That means, since there are 5 hundreds, so that means 50. So we can say that 10% of 500 is equal to 50. Okay. Now, one more example is 8. Say for example, another example, 8% of 420. So how can we calculate this? So we can calculate this. So we have to take 8 from each 100. So how many hundreds are there? There are 400. That means 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Okay. So now this 8 into 34 is from 400. That means 400. But still, we have to take 8% from the remaining 20. 8% from remaining 20. 8% of 20. Okay, so 20 is the fifth part of 100. 20, 20, 20, 20 and 20. It's the fifth part of 20, so of 100. Okay, so first 8% of 420 means 8% from 8 into 4. That means this will give us the 8% of only 400, right? Now there is remaining 20. 20 is the fifth part of 100. Fine. Okay, so we can put it like this. 8 fifth part of 8% is fifth part of 8 divided by 5. Okay, so that means we can 8% of 20. 8% of 20, since 20 is the fifth part of 100. Okay, so we can calculate 8% of 20 is equal to 8 divided by 5. So first what we have to do is to 100 divided by 20. That gives us 2 ones are 2 5s are. So that means 20 is the fifth part of 100, right? So 8% of 20 then becomes 8 divided by 5. Okay, so then 8% of 420 becomes 32, and 32 8 divided by 5. 32 8 divided by 5. Okay, this we can put 32 8 divided by 5 can be put like this. Okay, so this 38 by 5 can be put like this. Okay, this is a mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10. 32 into 5 plus 8 divided by 5. Okay, let's simplify it. So we will get 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 16 plus 8 divided by 5. That is equal to 168 divided by 5. Right. Okay. So now, so this is the so that means we can say 8% of 420 is equal to 168 divided by 5. That's equal to, we can convert into a mixed fraction like this: 180, 68, 5, 5 3s are 15, 1, 8, right? 5 3s are 15, now 3. So it becomes now this 33 quotient. Okay, then this remainder 3 by 5. Okay, so this 8% of 420 is equal to 33 3 by 5, right? Okay, so in this way we calculate the percentage, but this the way we calculate the percentage seems to be a little cumbersome. It seems to be a little difficult, because the numbers such as 420, 521, 1081, and we have to calculate some percentage, say for 7% of 1081. The way we calculated a little ago, that way in that way it becomes little lengthy and stretchy. So we need to have a formula, okay, in order to calculate the percentage easily, right? So for that there should be some formula. So to calculate percentage, there is we use formula. Which formula? Formula is P times or divided by 100. Okay, this, by using this formula we can calculate the percentage, right? So here P it means principal. Okay, principal means is the amount on which percent is to be calculated. So say for example in the previous example, 420 is the principal, because we have to calculate the percent, okay, from this number on this number, right? Okay, then R, that it means rate. It means the percentage, how much percentage we have to take, right? So in this example it was 8%, right? So this is the formula, okay, that we need to remember for calculating the percentage. So let's take an example. Okay, let's use this formula, P times or divided by 100, in order to calculate this 10% of 340. Okay, so solution is 10% of 340, that is equal to P into R divided by 100. So that means P is the amount on which percent is to be calculated, that's 340, right? Okay, then R is, what is R? That's 10%, 10 divided by 100. Okay, so this 0, this 0, because these are individuals, we can cancel this 0 as well as this 0, so we get 34. So that means 10% of 340 is equal to 34. So this way, using this formula, calculating percentage becomes easy. Okay, say for example, another example, 15% of 650. So you have to use this formula. P means 650 into R means 15 divided by 100. Okay, this 0, then you cancel 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, right? Okay, so say for example, so this becomes 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 19, 195 divided by 2. Then we have to make the divisions here. Okay, this becomes 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, okay, 2 7s are 14, okay, then remains here 1 point decimal. We need to put this decimal, okay, in order to make 1 into 10, right? So 2 5s are 10. So the percentage of this 15% of 650, that is equivalent to 97.5. Okay.